Welcome to our guide on connecting your SimpliSafe base station to Wi-Fi. Let's explore what makes this essential for your security system. Connecting your base station to Wi-Fi ensures optimal performance, allowing you to receive alerts and control your system remotely. First, check your Wi-Fi requirements. Ensure your router supports the SimpliSafe base station for a seamless connection. Now, let's access the SimpliSafe app. Open it on your smartphone to begin the Wi-Fi setup process. In the home screen of your SimpliSafe app, navigate to the Settings section to find the Wi-Fi setup option. Make sure to enter your Wi-Fi credentials correctly, including the SSID and password. Double-check for any typos. If you encounter any issues connecting, refer to our troubleshooting tips to resolve common problems. Once you've entered your credentials, verify that the base station shows a solid green light, indicating a successful Wi-Fi connection. To maintain a strong Wi-Fi signal for your security system, avoid obstructions and place the base station within range of your router. In conclusion, connecting your SimpliSafe base station to Wi-Fi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps for optimal security coverage.